Hi guys, today we will introduce our operation about the sublimation light no-cut transfer paper. This paper is designed for transferring light-colored cotton fabrics with using sublimation ink. First, we set the paper type on our printer to glossy paper and choose mirror mode, then print the image onto the paper. The temperature of the heat press machine is set to 185 degrees Celsius, and the time is adjusted to 15 seconds to 30 seconds. Then, we adjust the pressure of the heating machine to a higher pressure. Put the t-shirt onto the flat press machine and then put the printed paper onto the t-shirt. When the temperature of the heat press machine is reached, pressing the handle when the time is reached, the buzzer will sound and peel the paper quickly.